An attempt to legislate the reinstatement of capital punishment into the judicial system is the latest effort to summarily deter acts of plunder of the nation's coffers and hold all the bad actors in the flood control mess into account. But Malacanang urges caution and strengthening the judicial system first, while the church dismisses resurrecting the death penalty as an effective tool against heinous crimes. This report. House rent, electricity bills, food, and medicine for his elderly parents. All of these come from Rafael's earnings as a delivery rider. That's why every time it floods, his family goes hungry.
Minsan hindi ka makabiyahe kasi nga sobrang baha yung mga daanan. Tapos may posibilidad na masira din yung motor pagka nilusong sa baha.
Ano pong ibig sabihin para sa inyo kapag hindi kayo nakakabiyahe?
Walang kita. Walang income, ganun.
It's frustrating, says business owner Shirley, who has to close her eatery every time the area floods.
Yung may-ari ng inupahan namin, nagagalit sa amin. Kasi nga hindi kami nakakabayad kasi yun nga. Dahil nga kulang-kulang yung kita namin. Tapos yun, kapag may baha-baha, sarado ilang araw.
May anak po ba kayo?
Meron.
Ano pong epekto sa pag-aaral nila?
Yun, hindi ka makakabayad ng tuition.
As the investigation continues into billions of pesos in alleged corruption and flood control projects involving some contractors and government officials, there are now calls to reimpose the death penalty. Senator Bato de la Rosa is pushing for capital punishment for plunder. He says corruption is not a simple crime, but an act of greed committed at the expense of people's suffering. Senator Erwin Tulfo has also filed a bill seeking to double the penalties for government officials and employees found guilty of corruption. From 6 to 15 years, he wants the penalty raised to as much as 30 years in prison for those involved in graft. He says public service must be done honestly and with integrity. But what do ordinary Filipinos think?
Kapag may hatulan ng kamatayan, so hindi nagagayahin ng iba. Deserve naman nila nagnanakaw sila
Pag napatunayan, i-line up na kagad sa sa bitay para mabuwasan sila, ang dami nila
Hindi ka naawa?
Hindi, naawa pa sila sa atin? Hindi naman, di ba?
Depende sa kagaya nung sa milyon lang, huwag mo naman bitayin yun. Ano na lang, putulan na lang pa kamay.
Malacanang says the proposal to reimpose the death penalty must first be carefully studied. The government, it adds, must ensure that the justice system is working properly.
Dapat pong aralin to dahil hindi lamang po ito bigla-biglang sinasabi na dapat nandiyan ang death penalty. Inaaral mabuti dahil po dapat malinis, mabuti, maging maayos. Itong tinatawag nating 5 pillars of criminal or justice system rather. 5 pillars of justice system. Dapat mawala sa impluwensya ng mga Pilipino yung mga nakaraang pangyayari kung saan may nag-admit na sila ay sanay gumawa ng intriga at magplanta ng ebidensya. Paano kung ang inosente?
The Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines has earlier stressed that death is not the solution to corruption. What is needed, they said, is reform in the justice system, protection of the poor, and accountability of the truly guilty. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.